Yeah. Hey guys, today we'll be magnet fishing here at Mardu Lake. It's me, Vas, it's my friend Teddy. We are just pumping the boat. So today hopefully we'll find some good findings. Okay, magnet fishing. So yeah, let's check this lake today and see what we can find. Okay, let's go! Yeah. Yep. Okay, I have just lots of mud. Empty. Oh, okay, I have something extremely heavy here. Oh shit. Oh, it went off. It's just here below. Okay, let's see.
Oh shit.
You lost it.
That's right. It was somewhere here. Got it again.
Oh man, yeah, just pull it slightly. Yeah, just pull it. I can see it. It's a big one. I can see it through the water. Just. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Just pull it more. Yeah. Sure. This is mental. This is a huge one.
Yeah.
Good find. So. Yeah. We got it. Oh, shit. Oh, you found the coin. Awesome. Just kind of rub it so we can see. Okay, let me. Yeah, just rinse it. Maybe it's not a coin, maybe it's some, like, metal things that you use for trolleys or...
Yeah.
And the second one is coin, yeah?
Let me see. Same, but this one is thicker.
Yeah.
But this one looks like a coin. Oh shit.
Oh shit, it's broken. Металл ловим. Мы ловим то, что вы потеряете. Воблеры. Да. Хорошо. I just told this guy that we are looking for fishing lures, so if he'll lose something, we'll find it. Yeah. Yes. And they will attach with all the dirt, Oh look, I found some small scrap piece of metal.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, the Mardu Lake was not as we expected, full of metal, but we definitely checked it, so that's fine. And this is all for today.